Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a 2018 Ironwood BR23 horizontal vertical construction boring machine. Currently, this machine is set up to bore vertically. It has 23 spindles on 32 millimeter centers. It is in kind of auto mode right now. That's going to be this mode right here. And what that means is when you hit the foot pedal and cycle the machine, the motor is also going to turn on. So again, it's going to cycle, and when you release that foot pedal, after it cycles, it's going to turn the motor off. Your little hand here means it's going to be continuous, which means you turn the motor on, the motor stays on, and then you can cycle as needed. Up front, you do have a needle valve to control that dive speed. This handle here is going to get you from 0 to 90 degrees. You also do have a 45-degree stop. Before you transform this machine, you have to walk around back and take this back fence off. This back fence is 118 inches long. It does have 4 flip stops. Really nice tape measure that's adjustable as well. And again, your right side mirrors your left side. And again, we're going to come around rear of the machine. I have the fence semi-loose already. You're going to take this fence and slide it out. These 2 handles here are what locks your fence in place. You're simply going to come in and pull your fence out. You can also unscrew it all the way. I am going to choose to just pull this out from the side. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that these 2 handles are in. If these handles aren't in, they can hit the top rod here. You're going to come and pull your carriage lock. This is your vertical carriage lock. It's got vertical, horizontal is up, and then of course you do have 45 degrees. You pull this out, you're going to unlock your carriage, hit your front handle, and it is going to flip up for horizontal drilling. You do have height, so this controls the height of your boring aggregates. This is your depth. Your depth is, I believe, 100 millimeters or 3.97 inches. Obviously, you have a turret here with some bolts that they use for quick stops. I'm gonna go ahead and cycle the machine in this mode. Look over the top here. This machine is powered by a 3 horsepower, 220 volt single phase motor. To go to 45 degrees, this is where you're going to put your stop in. Then if we drop it, it will drop down on that stop, and now it is at 45 degrees. So basically, to get to 45 degrees, you have to go all the way up and come back down onto that 45 degree stop. On the right-hand side of the machine, you do see we have the manuals, the 45-degree plate, toolbox with some bits and touch-up paint, your legs, and of course your fences. And your fences can just flip off your 2 sides here. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.